Do you remember Samantha from Bewitched? It was a sitcom back in the 60s and 70s. How every woman from our generation wished she could just wiggle her nose and poof, the whole house was spotless. Well, what if I told you you actually can do that? The only difference is your magic takes a few minutes longer, but the results? They're just as amazing. The secret isn't real magic. It's setting up little systems that work for you. When your home starts cleaning itself, without you even realizing it, you'll swear there's a little bit of witchcraft magic involved. Let's start with one of the biggest clutter cauldrons, laundry. Here's how to make it disappear, almost magically. 1. Set up color-coded baskets. Whites, darks, towels, done. As clothes come off, they go straight into their right basket. You'll never waste time sorting again. 2. Add a load before bed. Just toss it in, no drama. No buildup. Set the timer to wash during the night while the electric rates are lowest. 3. First thing in the morning, put the coffee on and then transfer the clothes to the dryer. Sit back and have your coffee. 4. Once dry, just fold and put away. With all this, there is only one rule. Only do one load a day, no more. As you keep going with this, the laundry will be caught up in no time. You will not even feel the effort you used to do the job. You will even find on some days there won't be any laundry to do at all. This, of course, depends on how many people you are doing laundry for in the family. Either way, it still works. You'll be amazed how fast it becomes a rhythm instead of a chore. You will swear it was magic. Now for the magic mindset. The real magic happens when you stop treating cleaning like a marathon. Instead, you sprinkle it throughout your week, like tiny spells that keep everything in harmony. Put things away while your coffee brews. Wipe the counter while you're on the phone. Dust one shelf instead of the whole room. Before you know it, you'll walk through your home and realize it's all done, and you barely notice doing it. The reveal. That's the moment every woman dreams of, the bewitched moment. You didn't wiggle your nose, but you'll look around and think, wait, when did I do all this? That's the power of butterfly kisses, just simple living. It feels like magic. But it's really just good habits and small daily actions. If you loved Bewitched as much as I did, try these little magic tricks in your own home this week. You'll be amazed at how easy life can feel when the clutter doesn't rule you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.